Нет, мы не будем прыгать сейчас на меня. Нет, Яша.
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Mất cái chân đó à.
This looks like the perfect time to scream at the top of my fucking lungs.
Drop it. No, don't drop it. No! Ah!
I'm so hungry I could eat a calico cat named Macy.
Jean-Claude Van Damme en Ganar o Morir.
No, you jumped over these double big.
I bought a sweater for Millie. Millie, show everyone your sweater.
People say to get your cats a concrete block. Just get, oh my gosh.
Why is it spicy?
Someone stinks like buck poo. Bad. I smelled it earlier and now it's back. Whatever the smell is, it's back.
I think I know what it is.
It's really stinky.
You cannot do that. Stop.
Are you hoping for food? Okay.
Got some right here. You got some right here. Whoa. Hey, you got some right here. You got some right here.
Usted nos va a matar de un susto.
Parkour! Parkour! Parkour!
Me cuesta trabajo entender cómo de verdad hay gente que todavía no entiende la puta vibra, güey. Y jamás le...
Oh,
Pull the lever, Kronk.
Night hags will enter our world and appear around a sleeping victim, and will often sit nearby or sit directly on a person's chest, staring down at the half-aware human that they're tormenting.
Nani? Ay, qué bonito.
What are you doing?
Oh my God, my Shayla.
Yo, what's good? What's good? Can I go in there? Is it okay if I... Okay? Dang it, bro.
What in the world? Oh!
Buddy, give it to me. Give.
Punk ass.
Значит, у меня протекли трубы, и я вызвал специалиста. С трубами. Давайте, счетчики поменяйте.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Shit. Go! Hey! Hey.
Our cat likes to ride the to get home.
Gotta watch the dog.
I'm watching the dog. He's watching the dog.
He's just sitting, not even moving himself.
He likes riding on the hood.
Hi, babies.
Two ends. There's like a bigger end and a smaller end. Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again. Why are you bring him over here?
Let's see what he's doing.
Why you need to work if you want money? Can I just, poop, and see the money there, 100 grand perhaps? Is that impossible, please? Elon Musk, give me 1 billion, please.
Come here. Yeah, come. Yeah, back up.
Вот такой у нас пиздюк. Вот мама.
Se não tá bonitinho.
Agora que gatinho bomba! Amor! Gatinho bomba! Ah, agora gatinho bomba!
In the house. Do you know where I am? I could be anywhere. I'm like the wind.
神经病。
It's your
You see what happens when you eat your food too fast, Ichabod? Did I not tell you this was... Did I not tell you this was gonna happen?
Bernie. What was that? What are you doing, dude? Okay, bye.
Uy. Çat. Kırgızım ışığım çatpaydı. Uktun bu?
Stop. I'm just eating. I'm just trying to eat. Ow! Bro. No, stop. I'm just trying to eat. Ow.
Passar essa roupa?
Passar roupa.
Ih, vizinho. Tá passando roupinha?
Passar roupinha.
Nossa.
Tá bem passadinho. Acho que tá legal.
Passou? Passou?
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Why y'all put cheese on my cheeseburger? Shut your bitch ass up, I'm coming at you. Cheese on my cheeseburger.
什么意思？什么意思？这是什么意思？喂。
Oh, pauvre Dédé.
Good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No, I'm evil, kitty.
Said evil kitty.
Ow! Was that necessary, that aggressive? Ow! I don't even touch you. Look.
Because this is how much a cat is supposed to eat in a day.
Okay, you see that? You see that? That's why I don't give you food anytime you cry. Okay? Look at how tiny you are. You cannot hold that much food. Don't look at me.
Scendi! Ecco chi ce l'hai? Scendi! Che t'ha preso? Dai!
Para, eu vou tirar. Eu vou tirar essa roupa de você. Parou. Tá bom, eu vou tirar.
Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Wow, that was weird.
Kid, de mamo mau? A tata mau? A brata mau?
Mau?
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
What? Are you embarrassed?